Sorry, I'm with Chen. He is Regional Director of Asia Pacific for BVP Project Logistics, very knowledgeable about this part of the world.
All right.
And I'm interested in talking with you a little bit about some of the difficulties bringing project cargo into very challenging areas, particularly when there are very small ports or no ports available.
Right. Okay. I think, thank you very much, Janet, and it's nice to see you again this year.
Yeah, nice to see you too.
Some of the challenges that we have in this part of the world, in Asia Pacific, I think, if we had to name some of the places, we'd be talking about countries like Laos, Cambodia, parts of Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Timor-Leste. These are usually projects in a remote area, sometimes in the middle of the jungle, where you have project cargo coming to an area where there are no proper port facilities or jetty facilities yet. A lot of times these are challenges that are faced by contractors building a new power station, which might be in a remote location, or an oil and gas or mining project that again is in a wooded or forested location. Oftentimes you have a lack of infrastructure as being one of the challenges, and the other challenge is also a lack of government offices being in that area. There have been times where many years ago we did a project in Indonesia called the Python Power Plant Project. We had to basically help build the jetty, and we had to bring customs to the area because there were no customs in that area. So these are some of the things that project forwarders have to do, and these are some of the challenges for EPCs and other project contractors to consider when they're doing a project, because the cost involved, the time involved can sometimes be underestimated, and all these projects are very time sensitive.
Are there situations where you have to build roads or bridges in order to get the cargo to the destination?
Yes, there are, and generally if we have planned from the start together with the EPCs, we would do it together. We would make sure that the sequence of building the jetty, whether the jetty is on the shore or sometimes upriver, these things need to happen. So you'd have like a base set up there, sometimes using like containerized housing, if the infrastructure is at least able to accept that on the first go, and from that you start building the infrastructure that's needed for the project.